top three were supposed to score runs, but then the batting collapse came out of syllabus.
I think रविंद्र जडेजा को अपनी फॉर्म के बारे में कुछ करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो सेलेक्टर्स को कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Especially when you got a great alternative in Akshar Patel, I think the guy is struggling.
I think वो जो middle order का middle overs का they are still yet to figure out.
Ravindra Jadeja's 10 over. You can't have bowler who can give you 10 over 55 run. अभी holding के लिए तो आपको नहीं चाहिए. You need wicket takers.
Let me start off with you, Gigi. You were witness to India's performance in that first one-dayer. The batting fired. It seemed like a typical 2013 to 2015 one-day international where the top three were supposed to score runs, but then the batting collapse came out of syllabus. Is that a worry at all for India? Rahul calmed things down, but is that a worry at all?
It is a worry. I think the one big worry for me, and I thought I saw Mr. Akash Chopra's comments on that particular player, and I completely agree. I think Ravindra Jadeja को अपनी फॉर्म के बारे में कुछ करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो सेलेक्टर्स को कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Especially when you got a great alternative in Akshar Patel, I think the guy is struggling. Yesterday he was just all at sea. I mean, all he needed to do was perhaps just milk the bowling and we would have won the game. But then वो भी out हो गए और I mean Shreyas was batting well, वो out हो गए, and then suddenly obviously panic set in and collapse हुआ. And I thought Harshit played a great cameo, and so did KL. KL was absolutely, I thought, superb. Even Harshit. In fact, Harshit deserved the man of the match award to an extent because of the way he fought.
So you didn't want Virat to get it?
I think Virat को बहुत man of the match award मिल गए हैं, but Harshit, considering the amount of criticism उसको झेलना पड़ता है, जिस तरह से उसने आके कल खेला, उसने बता दिया कि वो 30-40 रन का प्लेयर तो है, जो कि बहुत यूजफुल चीज है. नंबर 8 पे बैटिंग कर सकता है, and that will always now give him an edge over the likes of Prasidh Krishna. Even I mean, yesterday he was preferred to Arshdeep Singh. So that is a big thumbs up from the team management to his abilities, and I think he has proved it that it's not just about ऐसा नहीं कि कोई nepotism चल रहा है, and गौतम गंभीर उसको favor कर रहे हैं extraordinarily. He's there purely on merit. That he has shown yesterday. So all in all, it was a tight win, a good win considering circumstances. Only thing is, I thought Washington Sundar's injury was a big setback, and again that is one player who has to work hard on his fitness because बहुत सारी injuries हो गई बहुत जल्दी career में, और अभी थोड़ा सा flow आया था, अभी फिर से injured हो गए, and there is no replacement that we have for him, right? We have named Ayush Badoni. The selectors have named Ayush Badoni as a replacement. Ayush Badoni was part-time off spin. Sundar is a proper off spinner. So I think वहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा गड्ढा है, एक hole है जो कि हम लोग fill नहीं कर पा रहे हैं off spinner going forward in the future.
Arani, what did you make of India's performance? What do you think about Ayush Badoni as a replacement? He's been bowling quite consistently for Delhi this season, and he was bowling for India A as well against both Australia A and South Africa A.
I think if Riyan Parag had been fit, he's nursing a shoulder injury. I think Riyan Parag would have got into the side. If you remember, he was playing in Sri Lanka as well. Riyan Parag, he played in the one-dayers, he was bowling. I think they're looking at with both Washi and Badoni, they are not looking at them as someone who can give you 10 overs, 5-6 overs maybe, and 40 runs here and there. So I think that's how Badoni fit the bill. I would rather want him to score more runs and be on batting merit. Badoni has been bowling well in the last 2 seasons. He has won Delhi Ranji matches with the ball, and he's done really well in the Vijay Hazare Trophy as well. So yes, but coming back to the Indian team, I think you're expected to win against this New Zealand team. That had to be, I think वो जो middle order का middle overs का they are still yet to figure out. And I think इतने कम ODIs है ना, you have to मतलब वो किसको try करना है या नहीं करना, वो अक्षर पटेल आएगा तो I think that will bit of kind of settle the debate at number 5. But I have a very bad feeling जो 2019 में हुआ था. You're ultra dependent on the top 3, the scoring runs and all. But जब crunch moment में 3 गिर गए, you have no one ready to resurrect an inning.
Pratyush, what is your take on how India performed in that first one-day international? Harshit Rana obviously did well. You had someone like Mohammad Siraj back in the mix in the one-day format. He did reasonably well. But fielding remains an issue.
I think catching and Ravindra Jadeja's 10 over. You can't have in this day and era, I can't have a bowler who can give you 10 over 55 run. अभी holding के लिए तो आपको नहीं चाहिए. You need wicket takers. And I mean, I don't know. I mean, how long India is going to? Someone will have to have a word with him. Ki boss, it's not happening. Or matlab, whether they'll take that call against Ravindra, because his bowling has been really bad. Maybe even in test matches, even in Indian condition, since R. Ashwin has retired. So that's a big call they'll have to take on Ravindra Jadeja's 10 over for bowling. And then I don't know. I think, but I feel that he'll play 2027 ODI World Cup. And the next, and I think for me, the one thing that I was really impressed was with Harshit Rana, the way he bowled, the way he batted. And बहुत सारा flack उसको मिलता है and trolling and everything. But look, I'll just say one thing, that he is a bowler who can bowl 135 plus consistently. कल वो 140 142 भी डाल रहा था, and he's no ऐसा walking wicket. हाँ, he's not a walking wicket with the bat. वो बार उससे बात रिफ्लेक्स करता है कि दिलीप ट्रॉफी में सेंचुरी भी है. बट हाँ, he is still a raw product, and जितना वो खेलेगा वो उतना improve ही होगा. So these two, but I think India should have won more comfortably. Ravindra Jadeja got that wicket, and it kind of last over तक drag किया. And then when KL Rahul was there, as Gigi bhai mentioned, कि Jadeja's batting and bowling, is he a right fit going forward? But as Arani, इन्होंने भी बोला कि if Akshar after T20 World Cup, Akshar will come direct at number 5. Will that happen? We'll have to see.